Hi, welcome back to the Medway Model Railway. This is my latest update on my layout. Hope you like and share and tell others. Like I say, I've been busy the last couple of weeks. I've had to get some new polystyrene sheets. These are great because I got these from work where people actually chucked it away by buying appliances. I just pick up the polystyrene, and it's all about recycle, saving money and putting it to use to make something look nice. So as you see, as we've done quite well, we've gone up a couple of inches on this bridge area here now to give you some idea. But like, it looks much better. I just need to upgrade this area here too, just to make sure it's nice and flat. But it's a nice base to work off with, especially this area over the back here now. As I've done all my electrics, they sit lovely on it. So what I've done, I've got this grey sheet, vinyl sheet over the back here, just to put on top, just to blend in nice. So I just need to weather this and design it, and that will come up a tree. As we come down this area now, we've had to upgrade all these arches, put all these in nice together. We've had a few changes and they do look quite impressive. So I've put a few fences on there. I just need to blend that up there. I've got one car up here at the moment, gives you some idea. When I put a few more cars and people up there, that's just going to be quite nice when it comes together. Then I've got my maintenance shed here. That's quite nice. I always like a maintenance shed. And in the front here, I've got my underground train at the moment. This will be featured later on in my future videos up the other end. So I'm hoping a few more underground trains will come out too. But I've got my Class 66 here now, just to do a quick running session. Especially as we've moved the track and that. I've got to make sure it doesn't catch the actual fencing as it comes round. So it gives you some idea. That's the trouble when you change things. You need to try your track that it doesn't catch as it goes round. So it looks work nice. I've actually cleaned up the track and I've cleaned up the Class 66 and it's come up the treat. So I'm very happy with that now. That clears that quite nicely. So I can start balancing and working on the track even better now. As we come along the front here, we've got the old scrap yard. This is where it's going to be located here. And I'm going to have a canal up the front here with a bit of resin. So I'm looking forward to doing that. And when we come along here, just finished off the crossing, put the barriers and gates on and the houses, and put this area here. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with this one, but I might have the cottages a bit further up as we go along. So loads of changes going on, loads of things going on. So I'm hoping to get a next video out in the next couple of weeks and see what you think of that one. So this is Diesel Dave, so take care and stay safe.